Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Ducati Diavel 1260. Unveiled ahead of its world premiere at the 2021 Nemo Motors Show is the Ducati Diavel 1260S 2022 Black and Steel. Steering away from the traditional Ducati red, the Diavel 1260S Black and Steel edition comes in a combination of gloss gray and matte black, accented by a yellow frame and underside of the tail. The Diavel Black and Steel joins Ducati's lineup of power cruisers with the Diavel 1260S clad in black and dark stealth and a red frame, while the base Diavel model comes in dark stealth with a black frame and wheels. The 2021 Ducati Diavel 1260S retails for $33,970, approximately IDR $485 million, while the XDiavel 1260S retails for $39,310, approximately IDR $561 million, excluding shipping costs. Power for the Diavel 1260 comes from a 1,262 cubic centimeters Testastretta DVT Desmodromic variable valve timing V-twin engine that produces 162 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 129 Newton-meters of torque at 7,500 RPM. The liquid-cooled twin-spark power plant delivers power via a 6-speed slipper clutch and chain final drive. The XDiavel uses belt drive. Standard equipment on the 1260S is a Ducati up-and-down quick shifter, while the riding range consists of a Bosch ABS Cornering EVO and wheelie, launch, and traction control by Ducati as part of the Ducati Safety Pack. Ride comfort also includes cruise control, keyless start, backlit switches, and a full-color TFT-LCD instrument panel that can be configured for the Ducati Link app for smartphone connectivity. Rob the scene. Powerful, muscular, but also agile and effective between the curves for maximum riding enjoyment. The Diavel 1260 combines the performance of a maxi naked with the ergonomics of a muscle cruiser. Its design reinterprets the Diavel style with a contemporary look and integrates perfectly the 159 HP Testastretta DVT 1262 engine, the beating heart of this new Diavel 1260. The novelty of model year 22 is characterized by the choice of asymmetrical and refined graphics that combine glossy gray and matte black as the main colors, to which are added sporty touches in yellow, including the frame, the lower part of the tail, the dedicated seat badge, and some details of the bike. The Diavel 1260S Black and Steel joins the S version in thrilling black and dark stealth color with red frame and black wheels, will be available in dealerships later on in 2021. The standard version is available in dark stealth color with a black frame and black wheels. A contemporary character, muscular lines, and an imposing front bring out the strong and restless personality of the new Diavel, featuring a long, slender rear with a 240mm rear wheel. The S version with the distinctive golden O'Lean suspensions is the maximum expression of the decisive and refined style of the Diavel 1260. A new sporty Diavel 1260S, without sacrificing the style that distinguishes it. 2022 Ducati Diavel 1260S Black and Steel first look. Back in 2019, Ducati revealed Mate Rico, a Ducati Diavel 1260 variant, at the Beautiful Boldness/Visionary Design event at Milan Design Week. The Diavel Mate Rico went on display at the prestigious Mord show in Milan. Beginning in September, you can get the 2022 Ducati Diavel 1260S Black and Steel, which is inspired by the remarkable Mate Rico. Although the name is Black and Steel, yellow is the operative color on this latest iteration of the Ducati Diavel 1260S. The frame and lower part of the tail are attention-demanding yellows, and they are accented with an off-center yellow line down the fuel tank's top and a broad yellow stripe across each wheel. You'll also find yellow on the chin fairing, a slot on the seat, and the name Diavel on the tank. Otherwise, there's plenty of black and silver to provide a touch of menace to the proceedings. The Diavel 1260S Black and Steel is a bike that does not go unnoticed, notes Ducati Design Center Director Andrea Ferrarese. Its asymmetrical graphics, the contrast between matte black, gray, and touches of yellow have been designed to enhance the power, design, and sportiness of this bike. Otherwise, the motorcycle is the same Diavel 1260S that we know, love, and have tested. That standard version of the 1260 will be dark stealth, with a 1260S and black and dark stealth also available. 2022 Ducati Diavel 1260S Black and Steel specs. Engine type: Testastretta DVT 1262 L-twin. Displacement: 1,262 cubic centimeters. Bore X stroke: 106 by 71.5 millimeters. Maximum power: 157 horsepower at 9,250 RPM. Maximum torque: 95 feet per lbs at 7,500 RPM. Compression ratio: 13.0 to 1. Fueling: Bosch EFIW/elliptical throttle bodies, 56 mm equivalent. Mufflers: stainless steel. Transmission: 6-speed with quick shifter. Clutch: wet multiplate W/hydraulic actuation and assistance slip functions. Primary drive: straight cut gears. Final drive: chain. Braking is carried out with 4-piston Brembo M4.32 monoblock calipers on 320mm semi-floating steel disc brakes combined with a Brembo PR1819 master cylinder. The rear wheels are stopped by 2-piston Brembo calipers with 265mm disc brakes. While the suspension at the front uses a 48mm diameter Öhlins fork that is fully adjustable, the rear is equipped with an Öhlins monoshock that can be adjusted for preload, rebound, and compression. The fuel tank on the Diavel 1260S holds 17 liters, while the seat height is set at 780 millimeters with a recorded wet weight of 247 kilograms.